Hello, I'm Philip from Exceedingly Vegan. I'm here at the Mornflake Mill kitchen and I'm making delicious carrots and sun-dried tomato oat patties. They go really well with a herb tahini dip as well. So all you need is first of all a bowl, and then add some oat flour in there. So I grinded it in just a normal blender. It's very easy to do. Then I've got some grated carrots. Add them to the bowl as well. Okay. And then we've got finely cut sun-dried tomatoes. Then add some lemon juice. This really brings out the flavor. Lemon juice is a flavor enhancer as well. A little bit of salt. I like it quite salty, so it depends how you like it. Add a little bit of garlic as well. Bunch of thyme. So fresh thyme, I think, gives everything like a really nice flavor. So especially goes so well with the vegetables. Now we add a little bit of onion powder as well. And some black pepper to taste. So now it's time to get your hands dirty. Hopefully you wash them and really go in there and knead the dough. So it will become a proper dough. You don't need to add any water. It will stick together just as it is. Okay, so and now grab a handful of the dough and form nice patties, like roughly the size of a burger. There you go. And then we need a good amount of oil. Be quite generous with it. Add the patties to the pan and cook them until they are golden brown on both sides. See, they're really nice and brown on the other side now. Really nice and dense. They stick together really well. So when they're done, put them on a plate lined with kitchen roll so it can absorb the oil a little bit. So the next thing we're going to do is a really nice herb tahini sauce. We need a bowl, and of course the tahini. So like 2 tablespoons of tahini, lemon juice. Then we need half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. And also a little bit of pepper. Now mix it all together. Great. Cool. Okay. Okay, I can't wait to try them now.